Okay, so here we are. We are at 301. We've got a king suite. And we just arrived.
Oh, look at that view.
This is what you get when you walk in.
I love it.
But I'm immediately drawn to the view. That's a beautiful river. I believe it's the Colorado River. Right outside here. Got some good air conditioning going on in here, which is good because it's a little warm today. Looks like we have a dining area here. And the kitchen. I didn't know it came with a kitchen. Refrigerator, microwave. Got a little love seat here. Good reviews here. I've got this beautiful mountain view. And here we've got a nice little dresser, king size bed, television. We do have Wi-Fi access here too. I haven't tried it out yet, but very Western feel.
It's a very similar picture to the one that's hanging in our dining room.
Yeah, it is. Oh, check this out. I love the tile on the
tile.
Floor and the countertop. We've got our bathroom here. Love all the tile and the pictures, decorations, very Western. Yep, we're sleeping in tomorrow. Got robes.
Yeah, there's two of them.
His and hers robes. Yeah, we'll take those. We got a little closet area here with an ironing board. Full-length mirror. This is cool. We've got a map of southeastern Utah. All right, now we just got to unload the Bronco. Get ready for a wonderful stay here at Red Cliff Lodge.